आपको बताएंगे चीन की कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के 105वें योम तासीस से कायम मकाम सदर सैयद यूसुफ रजा गिलानी का सेमिनार से खिताब जारी है। आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
This its membership, its grassroots organization reaching into every corner.
खिताब जारी है, आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
This its membership, its grassroots organization reaching into every corner of Chinese society. This is not merely a story of scale. It is a story of century-long struggle for self-renewal, discipline, and perpetual transformation that few nations and institutions in human history have managed to sustain. Under the Communist Party of China, the Chinese nation has authored what is rightly described as one of the greatest development achievements of the modern era. Hundreds of millions of people have been lifted out of poverty within living memory, a contribution that stands among most significant in the history of global development. Today, China stands out as an engine of global growth despite a challenging international environment. The inspiring economic transformation, coupled with good governance, translated into human welfare on a scale the world has rarely witnessed. It is precisely the record that gives weight to the theme before us today. Only recently, at the National Conference of Party Building in Beijing, the Communist Party of China formally articulated Xi Jinping's thought of party building, affirming the leadership of the party remains the most essential feature of socialism with Chinese characteristics. At its heart lies candid land. I would say in courageous proposition that durability of any ruling party needs not to be absence of problems, but on the honesty and discipline with which it confronts them. The emphasis of the party, self-revolution, or rigorous internal discipline, and on a firm approach of corruption speaks to maturity of governance, and many nations would do well to study. This is why Chinese scholars themselves describe this body of thought as
इस्लामाबाद में कायम मकाम सदर सैयद यूसुफ रजा गिलानी का सेमिनार से खिताब जारी था। सेमिनार से खिताब में कायम मकाम सदर का कहना था कि कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की क़यादत में चीनी कौम ने अजीम कामयाबियाँ से हमकिनार हुई है बन चुकी है। कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की क़यादत में चीनी कौम ने अजीम कामयाबियों को हकीकत का रूप धारा है। पुख्ता आज़म, कौमी तामीर और वतन की निजात के विजन से कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ चाइना ने बुनियाद रखी।